Today we're going to take a close look at what it takes to prep, paint, and replace a plastic bumper cover. The first step is to wipe it down or clean it with some wax and grease remover. The next step is to scuff it or rough it up with a scuff pad like this, and you can cut it up into smaller pieces. That way it makes the pad last a bit longer. When you scuff it, you just want to make sure that everything is really dull. So you'll see the sand scratches, and anything that's shiny has to be nice and dull. So you're just going to rub this scuff pad all over the whole bumper cover, making sure that every bit of primer is nice and dull and scuffed up. The mix ratio for the paint is 8 to 1/2 to 4. To get that accomplished, just simply mark how much paint you want to mix up. So we're going to mix up about that much paint today. Then we're going to divide that section into equal parts. And that's 8 parts, and this would be 16 parts. So we're going to do 8 parts paint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be paint up to here. That'll be paint up to there. Then 4 parts reducer. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be reducer up to here. And then a 1/2 part of the hardener. So we're going to just do a little bit right there. And so we're just going to go like up to there with the hardener. And this will be out. This is no good. But I like to add a little bit more reducer, so it'll probably end up being around here, somewhere in here, the final mix. When you get your stick marked, you can just drop it in the cup, fill it up to this line with paint, up to this line with reducer, and up to that line with the activator. After blowing the dust off, wiping it down with wax and grease remover, we'll hit it with a tack cloth just to pick up any last remnants of dust. We'll spray 1 light coat and 2 medium wet coats with the Harbor Freight Spectrum HVLP. And this will be the 3rd and final coat of color. After allowing the base coat to dry for about an hour, we'll give it 2 to 3 coats of Nason Select Clear, and we'll be using the same gun. And this will be the 2nd and last coat. Before painting the bumper, it's always a good idea to try it on first, practice, and make sure you can install it with ease before you paint it. Because once it's painted and you go to try to install it, if it doesn't fit properly, you're going to scratch it. When replacing a plastic bumper cover, it's a good idea to have a variety of push pins to replace any broken or damaged ones. And I'll put the link to this kit in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to paint plastic bumper covers, and if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.